This is rendered at HANKSTERS Hot Rods. This is a 65 Mustang. It has the 1991 Ford 302 fuel injection engine with the overdrive automatic transmission. And as you can see, the paint is really, it's a really great driver quality. It has a couple of chips and things, but really good condition. The white, the bright trim and everything on this thing is good. The Mustang emblems, the door handles. It has the red interior with the black, which is really nice. It has the upgraded analog cluster for all the gauges with the wiring to match, an upgraded radio. This car does have air conditioning, which was an option, was added on, and it's really decent. And I'll show you the door locks work too, and all the headlight and everything. This thing's really nice too. You don't want to forget that. Lots of keys. There we go. That's the one for the locks. It has the Magnum 500 wheels on it with the BFGoodrich Radial TA tires. Trunk's real clean, original trunk mat. The trunk floor mat looks really nice as the original. These are all, this is original, this has been replaced. The trunk rubber and everything's real good. Latches, everything works great on it. These are new, they've been replaced, they're clean. The bumpers are average, there's a little nick here on the bumper, but they're in good condition. They're not new and they're not rusty. Same thing on this side, all this chrome for the windows and everything's real good. The brake on this side. I'll show you the door lock again on this one, also working. The door handles are brand new on this car, they've been replaced. It has the dual mirrors, they've been added on. Same thing on the interior, the striker plates are new, very clean interior. Just to make somebody, the door rubbers, all the trim, this stuff's all real good condition. Regular Ford A10. There's a little bit of a couple marks on the fender here in the paint, but nothing that you couldn't enjoy the car. It's definitely nice. All the emblems on this side. The front bumper is same as the back. There's a couple of scratches on it, but it shows very well. This is an incredibly good driver. Somebody's going to enjoy the car and not have any problems with it. So we'll stop now and we'll show you the engine a little bit. Okay, now we'll check out the powertrain on this thing. The underside of the hood is painted black to match the car. It's in great condition. It has the chrome hood hinges. This is a 91 5.0 fuel injection engine with the overdrive automatic. It's been upgraded, and it also has air conditioning has been added. Additional air filter system. It's a very nice car. Electronic distributor to match the new harness, and that it all matches the gauges. So somebody get a good driving car. It's be really good performance-wise. It's rendered from HANKSTERS Hot Rods. I'm under a 65 Ford Mustang. It has the overdrive automatic transmission out of the same car. All the front bushings here on the trailing arms, the front hoses, brake hoses, they're all new. It does have the sway bar. It's dual exhaust, stock style. The frame rail and the floor pans on this car are extremely clean. They are just, I mean, they look original. The gas lines have been replaced. When you get onto the back here, the emergency brake's all intact. Dual exhaust, like I said, regular style. It is the 8-inch Ford rear end, about a 3:25 ratio. There's new rear shocks, standard style. Multi-leaf rear springs. The Magnum 500 wheels, BFGoodrich TA radials. And we'll get back to the back here and check out the rest. The gas tank, it has a fuel filter mounted back here for the gas tank, and everything's nice and clean back here too. The trunk floor, the inside the quarter panels, this thing is really, really solid. It's going to be a nice car for somebody.